So, question one, um, we know that the magnitude is 5 and of each one, and it's asking to sketch the third vector, C, whose magnitude and direction are such as, and then you have A plus B plus C equals 0. So in the question, we have to find which of the following A, B, C, or D represent vector C. So what I've learned that if the question says sketch in a third vector C whose magnitude and direction are such as A plus B plus C equals 0. So if it equals 0, we know that they start right here. I'm going to use a different color. I use the red. So this right here is 0 on the x plane and 0 on the y axis. Sorry, 0 on the x axis and 0 on the y axis. So knowing that vector, we know this is vector A, this is vector B. Adding a vector, we know, mind you, is going this way. So we know that vector C will be going downward. So we learned that A plus B. Then we know that usually, and I'm going to draw it out, if this is A, this is B, we know that C can go this way. Or we can have C going down the y-axis because